Hey guys, Dustin Porter here. I am in the States. I'm from Kansas. I am Redline Elite Mods. Thermaltake invited me to their 2018 CaseMOD Season 2, and I'm super stoked, and I've been wanting to be a part of this for a very long time, and I just want the chance to compete with modders, great modders from around the world, you know, and yeah, and my favorite builds that I've done are obviously my Redline Elite desk, and probably the X71, and definitely my current View 91. You should vote for me. Vote for my video. Just give me a chance to show you, Thermaltake, and everyone else, that I can compete with the best. Thanks for watching. Take care.